Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Google Chrome language. We start by opening Chrome. Then, click on the Personalize and Control Google Chrome menu, and then on Settings. After that, we will click on Languages. Here we will see the languages that we have added. If you need others, we can click on Add Languages and choose the one we want. Then, click on the three dots of the language we want, and activate the Display Google Chrome in this language box. Finally, click on Relaunch so that the changes are applied and Chrome appears with the new language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.